In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a progress ring in Figma. Start by opening your design file so you can place the ring exactly where you need it. To create the base ring, choose the ellipse tool by pressing O. Then hold Shift as you drag to draw a perfect circle. If you prefer drawing from the center, hold Option or Alt as well for easier alignment. With the circle selected, hover near its center to reveal the ratio handle, the small dot inside the shape. Click and drag that handle outward to punch a hole through the middle, turning your circle into a ring. If you want precision, you can also type an exact ratio value in the design panel. Pick a size that fits your layout, just make sure the ring's thickness is easy to read at a glance. Set the fill to a light gray, or a soft version of your brand color. This serves as the empty track behind the progress. Now add the progress indicator itself. Duplicate the ring so the copy sits directly on top by pressing Command-D on a Mac or Control-D on Windows. Duplicating ensures perfect alignment without nudging. Change the top ring's color to something vibrant that will read clearly against the background track. Hover over the right edge of the ring to reveal the arc handle and drag to adjust the sweep. This sweep sets the progress amount. By default, it starts at the top and moves clockwise. You can also type the exact percentage in the sweep field in the design panel for accuracy. To refine the look, round the ends of that top ring. In the design panel, increase the corner radius until the tips look smooth and balanced. Keep the radius proportional to the ring thickness, so the ends feel crisp, especially at smaller sizes. Let's animate it. Select both rings and turn them into a component, then add a second variant. In variant 2, set the sweep of the top ring to your target percentage. Repeat this for any additional variants you need so different percentages are ready to showcase. Component sets let Figma animate differences between variants, which is exactly what we want. Switch to the Prototype tab. Connect variant 1 to variant 2. Use an after delay trigger set to 1 millisecond and choose Smart Animate with a duration between 1000 and 2000 milliseconds. If the motion feels off, nudge the duration within that window. Finally, draw a frame. Drag your new component from the Assets panel onto it. Select the frame and click Play to preview the animated progress ring. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.